it's your girl Evany, and today is what? FLEEK Friday! Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm super duper excited, okay? So first of all, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Now get y'all booties up in here and sit down so we can get into this, okay? Once again, I'm very excited about today's video because I'm going to be doing something very different from anything that I've ever done on my channel before. And I'm actually going to be trying on some colored contact lenses featuring the brand TTDEYE, which stands for the third eye, okay? Now, this brand is based out of China, so that's where all of the contact lenses come from. And it did take a little bit of time for this package to arrive to me. It did take about a month, but not too bad. Not too bad, all right? So TTDEYE did actually reach out to your girl and ask me if I wanted to try some of their contact lenses for review. And of course I said yes. I've been toying with the idea of trying colored contact lenses for quite some time now. So when they reached out to me, I was all for it. No questions asked, really, okay? I was with it. So they sent me over 4 pairs of contact lenses to try out for you guys, and I'm super excited. I cannot wait. But let me tell you guys, before we get into it, let me tell you guys a little bit more about this company and show you guys the super duper dope packaging because they really outdid themselves, okay? So like I said, the name of this brand is TTDEYE. It stands for the third eye. They're based out of China. I really love their packaging. It's super duper cute, and they throw all of these cute little extras inside of the box to just make it extra special, which I really do appreciate. I got some stickers, a cute little postcard. I know I got a glitter. They also sent over this cute little handheld mirror and some temporary tattoos, which you guys will see here in a minute. And what I really like about this brand is that for every single pair of contacts that you order, you get a contact lens case as well as accessories to help you take your contacts in and out for each pair. So that's amazing. That just hands down just like does it for me. You know what I'm saying? Because as a beginner, you know, you probably don't have much. If you're a beginner like me, you don't have much when it comes to contact lenses. So for them to provide all of that stuff is awesome. I really can't say much more about the packaging. It's just super duper dope. I'm ready to get into this try on and see what it do with these contacts. But you guys, if you are at all interested in purchasing contacts from TTDEYE, don't forget to check my description box because I do have an affiliate link down there for you guys that you can click on that will take you directly to the site. And also don't forget to use my coupon code EVYEV88 to save you some shamanti, okay? All right, y'all. I think I've rambled enough. Let's get into this video because I am so ready to try on these contacts. Are y'all ready to see what they look like? Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Let's get it in. It's FLEEK Friday. Let's go hammy. Let's do this. Let's go. Here I am a little bit closer. Let's get up close and personal, all right? So these are my natural eyes, okay? As you can see, very dark brown, almost black, okay? So this is me in all my natural glory, okay? And all of these contacts that I got are supposed to be super duper good for dark eyes. So we're about to see what it do. Now I do want to tell you guys that I did go ahead and take all of my contact lenses out of their original packaging and put them in the case with some fresh solution and let that soak for about, mine have been soaking for about 24 hours, okay? Which is recommended just to make sure that your lenses are nice and clean and that any irritants that could possibly be on them are cleansed off so that they don't irritate your eyes when you put them in, okay? And also because I'm such a clean freak, I also took all of my cases as well as the accessories and washed and disinfected all of those before this video. So just a little tip, a tidbit, all right, before we get into this. Now, the first pair that I am going to try on for you guys is Egypt Yellow Green, okay? And these ones seem like they're gonna be super duper just in your face and out there and kind of crazy. I'm a little bit concerned, but I'm curious to see what they look like. So let's get into it. Let's try on Egypt Yellow Green. All right, so this is Egypt Yellow Green, and I only put one in because I wanted you guys to see the comparison between the contact lens and my natural eye. So come a little bit closer. As you guys can see, it does a really good job of covering up my dark eyes. and it gives me a whole different look. I look way different. So I'm feeling Egypt Yellow Green so far. It's definitely not as crazy as I thought it was gonna be. So yeah, she cute, and I will say that it's pretty comfortable. It's not too bad. I definitely feel like I have something in my eye, but it's not uncomfortable, if you know what I mean. So let me go ahead and put the other one in so you guys can see what it looks like with both. This is what it looks like with both of them in, and I think these are super duper cute. I like them a lot. Not even gonna lie, the struggle was real to get the second one in. I don't know what the heck was going on, but it took a while, y'all. But I got both of them in. Hopefully my eye is not red. But yeah, I really, really like this one. I think it's super duper cute. It's definitely bold. I don't think I'm going to be catfishing anybody with this one just because the limbo ring on the outer edge is like darker. So they definitely, to me, they look like contacts for sure. But they don't look scary and they don't look too out there, you know. I like them. I think they look really good and they match my shirt. So yeah, you guys, this is Egypt Yellow Green. Let me know what you guys think. This next one is called Berry Blue. And once again, I've only put one of them in so you guys can see the difference. Let me come closer. Okay, so Berry Blue, natural. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the other one in so we can see what they both look like together. I like this one too, you guys. I think this one is super duper cute. It's definitely very blue, but it's toned down a little bit. It's almost giving me like a grayish blue vibes. Yeah, so I do like them. Don't know how much I'm catfishing with these either. Let me come closer. By the way, did not mention this, but all of the contact lenses that I got don't have any prescription, but you can get them with a prescription if you have one. And these are actually really, really comfortable. I definitely feel like I have something in my eyes, but it's not like uncomfortable. It's not bothering me. I feel like the longer I wear these, the more I'll get used to them. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about Berry Blue. The next pair that we're gonna try on is called Trinity Green. So Trinity Green is bae, okay? Like, these ones are so cute. These are definitely very, very natural looking compared to the other two that I tried on. Definitely compared to the first green, which was Egypt Yellow Green. These are definitely more natural looking. They don't have that stark limbo ring around the outer edge, so it definitely helps make them look more realistic. I really, really like these, you guys. I think these ones might just be my favorite ones so far. And I've liked all of them so far, but I think these ones might be my favorites. Let's get a close-up. I love them, you guys. Absolutely love them. Yes, these are definitely catfish material, okay? I think I could get away with these as maybe being like, maybe somebody might think these are mine for real, you know, I don't know. What y'all think? Would you really believe that these were my eyes, you guys? I don't even care. Either way, they're cute. I could see myself wearing these ones all the time. I love these ones. And I cannot stress to you guys, once again, how comfortable these are. These are really comfortable, and I'm not even a contact wearer, okay? And these are super duper comfy. So yes, I'm really feeling these ones. Love. You guys, I was feeling that last pair so much, I didn't even want to take them out, okay? But duty calls. This is the last pair. And this one that I have in is called Trinity Gray. And once again, just did one eye so you guys can see the comparison. And let's pop the other one in. I love these. Oh my God, you guys, these are bae too, okay? Like, these ones are so cute. And once again, these ones definitely look very natural, okay? Just like the Trinity Green ones. I just, oh my God, I'm so in love with these, you guys. These ones definitely have like a bluish tint to them. So they definitely look like bluish gray. But I love that about them. I really do. I think they're so pretty. This is another catfish. In my opinion. You guys. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, and yes. I'm really digging these ones, you guys. I am. That's it, you guys. We've come to the end. This concludes this week's FLEEK Friday featuring TTDEYE contact lenses. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of those 4 pairs of lenses that I tried on for you guys. I went ahead and kept the very last pair on, which is Trinity Gray, and I love this one. She's a bae, okay? Like I said earlier, I just, okay? You guys definitely gonna let me know which was your favorite, okay? I would say that my 2 favorites are definitely this one, which is Trinity Gray, and Trinity Green, because they're definitely the most natural looking out of the bunch. But I for sure enjoyed each and every single pair, and I can see myself rocking each and every single pair regardless. So thank you so much to TTDEYE for sending me these contacts. I really love them, and I'm definitely gonna need to try more because now I think I'm kind of like addicted. So you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Definitely, if you're interested in purchasing some contacts from TTDEYE, definitely make sure to check out the description box down below and click on my affiliate link, which will take you straight to the website. And definitely don't forget to use my coupon code, which is EVY88, so you can save some shmoney, okay? And if you guys are not already doing it, make sure you follow me on Instagram at EVY88, all right? All right, that's it, y'all. I'm up out of here. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of FLEEK Friday. And until next time, you know I love y'all. And I'll catch y'all on the next one, all right? Deuces.